Almost 10,000 health workers in Iran have been infected, and this pandemic has left 40 million people unemployed in the United States. All this and more on the Gravitas Coronavirus Tracker.
Close to 10,000 health workers have been infected in Iran, while over 100 have died. The hardest hit West Asian nation has officially reported 129,341 cases and 7,249 deaths. Experts fear that the actual figure could be twice as much. Unemployment figures in USA neared a whopping 40 million mark. 2.4 million Americans filed for unemployment benefits last week alone. Unemployment figures continue to surge despite states easing restrictions and restarting economies. Indonesia has reported its biggest daily jump in the number of cases. 973 new cases and 36 deaths were reported in the last 24 hours. There are now more than 20,162 patients in the world's fourth most populated country. New Zealand Prime Minister Jacinda Ardern's popularity has soared ahead of September polls. Ardern's handling of the pandemic has seen her party's popularity surge to 59%. Another recent poll suggested that the 39-year-old is the most popular Kiwi Prime Minister in a century. Japan has lifted the state of emergency in most of its regions. Today, emergency was lifted in Osaka and 2 neighboring prefectures. The last 5 prefectures, which are still under emergency measures, may get relief by Monday. Australian singer Casey Donovan performed live on stage at a free drive-in concert in Sydney. Fans in around 40 cars attended what was their first live music concert in months. The fans were not allowed to leave their cars to ensure social distancing. Spain has passed new legislation making masks mandatory in public places. People over the age of 6 will have to don a mask when venturing outdoors, in a public building, or even in confined private spaces open to public, such as shops. Aircraft carrier USS Theodore Roosevelt has returned to sea for training. The ship had been docked in Guam since the 27th of March after 1,000 sailors on board tested positive. 1,800 sailors have been left back on shore who are still in quarantine. Greece will restart its tourism season from the 15th of June. Seasonal hotels will be allowed to reopen. International flights will begin operations to tourist destinations from the 1st of July. Hundreds of people gathered in Vienna's central square to protest against coronavirus restrictions. The protest was organized by the right-wing Freedom Party, which has accused the government of fear-mongering. United States will send 200 ventilators to Russia to help fight the pandemic. Russia has recorded over 317,000 cases, the second most in the world after the United States. Malaysia reported 35 new cases in migrant detention centers. Authorities have rounded up 1,800 migrants to control the spread of the virus. Experts fear the numbers could spike in overcrowded detention centers. Hundreds of Germans ventured out to celebrate Father's Day. Outdoor pools and riverbanks saw Germans enjoying some sun and beer while maintaining social distancing. Germany reported 745 new cases in the last 24 hours.